Dear viewers, welcome to Murad's Kitchen. Today we're going to show you how to make a chicken sausage roll. It's beautiful, simple, easy to do it. We put our chicken inside, some onion, some fresh coriander, some oregano, some basil leaves, a bit of salt, and some pepper. Now we're going to blend them. Viewers, we're going to make some breadcrumbs now. We put the breads in the blender and now we're going to blend it. We mix with the chicken mix, we put our breadcrumbs. Viewers, we're going to put a little bit of oil in the pan. Now we're going to take the mixture. We make like a sausage. And viewers, we make like a sausage shapes. Viewers, we are turning them away and look at the beautiful color. They are cooking away. Viewers, this sausage roll they are about 70% done. So the 30% because we're going to roll it with puff pastry, then it go back to the oven again. So they're going to finish it off there. Now we're going to take it off. Viewers, this is our puff pastry. We're going to roll it now. We're going to cut them size like that, then like that, then another one like that. Viewers, now we're going to roll them. We roll them. We put the sauces and then we're gonna roll it. Done. Viewers, now they're gonna go to the oven, 200 degrees for 10 to 15 minutes. Viewers, that's my beautiful homemade chicken sausage roll. And they look pretty. Oh, they're lovely, gorgeous. I can't wait and I can't resist. They look lovely, yummy and delicious. Enjoy and bon appetit. My homemade chicken sausage roll.